everybody, and welcome. Today we're gonna unbox this. Went to Harbor Freight and got myself a pole saw. That's what this is called. It says right here, pole saw. And it will extend out. Thank you to my assistant over there. It'll extend out 8 feet 10 inches. That's a long way. And then that really helps us to cut those limbs that are up high. So we're looking at that number right there. So let's take this thing out and see what it looks like. And there we go, all unboxed. What we got here is the chainsaw bar right there. We got the chain that goes around it, instructions, and the pole saw over there. And it goes a long way over that way. So let's put it all together and see what it looks like. Well, that didn't take very long. It was pretty easy to put together. So, now it's time to take it outside and see how it does on a tree limb. All right, here's that Harbor Freight pole saw. And we've been going for about 15 minutes. And what we're doing is trimming this nice cherry tree and opening up the inside of it. And here's the pile of stuff we've gotten so far. So we got more to do, but it's doing great so far. Alright, so that's the pole saw. You saw it in the short version and you saw it in the long version, which is like this. And then you see how high that goes. I'll put it up there. And that's me holding it pretty much the way I would. So the pole is, the saw is rated at, or is said that it's about 8, I think 8.5 feet. But then with me, that adds another 5.5, 6 feet. So it's a good long reach. It's a great pole saw. Now, I want to recommend that you look for part 2, where I take this and attach it to an extension and get even higher with this. Thanks for watching.